What if your phone could combine the elegance of Porsche design with cutting-edge technology? Meet the Honor Magic7 RSR Porsche Edition. This flagship phone boasts a stunning design with a large hexagonal camera island and aggressive lines, inspired by Porsche's racing heritage. The back of the device features Honor's nano crystal shield technology, offering superior scratch and drop resistance, and a satin-like matte coating for a premium feel. The Magic7 RSR's camera setup includes a 200 megapixels periscope zoom camera with a larger f1.9 aperture, allowing more light for stunning photos. It also includes a lidar sensor for enhanced video stabilization, and the main 50 megapixels camera with variable aperture, plus a 50 megapixels ultrawide sensor. The 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display bends on all sides and is protected by Honor's nano crystal shield, making it 10 times more durable against scratches and drops. A 50 megapixel selfie camera with a 3D sensor for facial recognition and depth effects, along with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, ensures top-tier security in selfies. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, up to 24 GB RAM, and 1 TB storage, the Magic7 RSR promises class-leading performance. Running on Honor Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15, it includes AI features like Magic Portal, AI Super Zoom, and AI Translation. With a 5850 mAh battery supporting 100W wired and 80W wireless charging, the Honor Magic7 RSR Porsche Edition is set to redefine flagship smartphones.